everyone, this is Moshe, the Electric Israeli, and thank you for joining my channel. If you are new, please subscribe and help me change the world one electric car at a time. Thank you to all of my patrons, much appreciated. And those who order their Tesla using my link, you got yourself a whole bunch of free supercharging miles, and so did I, appreciate it. And today we're going to talk about CHAdeMO adapter. Do you know what CHAdeMO is? CHAdeMO is what now Nissan Leaf, I think Nissan Leaf is probably the only one who uses it, definitely the United States, and probably the old Kia Soul EVs. So CHAdeMO is a plug that does fast charging for Japanese cars. And Tesla many years ago, I would say even 3 or 4 years ago, had a CHAdeMO adapter. It looks like a bazooka, or like an RPG, a rocket propelled grenade. It's a big kahuna thing that you can connect on one side to a CHAdeMO cable and a fast charger, and then connect it to your Tesla. But it used to be only Tesla Model S and Model X, not Model 3, and it looks like it. It was on a website this morning, and then it was taken off that now it is compatible with Tesla Model 3, which is very good. Now, why would you buy that? You shouldn't buy that if you don't do a lot of long trip driving, or if you know that your trip is on a supercharging network. You would buy it if you go to remote areas that you might not have a supercharger, and there is a fast CHAdeMO charger, and you can buy it. It's very expensive. It's $450. It's really expensive. But it's only good if you really need it. If you really is a person who are going to go on routes that will need a CHAdeMO adapter. I'm looking forward actually for Tesla having a CCS adapter like they have in Europe, because that is much more needed, because CCS is exponentially more used and available in fast charging, in a non-Tesla fast charging places. I know many of them around where I live and on my route when I drive on long distance trips. So I would say that, again, you should buy it only if you're absolutely going to use it frequently. Do not buy a cow just because you need a glass of milk. So that's great, but hopefully it will be also done for CCS, which is a very small adapter that will go into a Tesla Model 3 like they have in Europe. The CHAdeMO is like I said, it's a big kahuna. All right, guys, keep you posted if there's any news. Thank you for watching. See you tomorrow.